Good morning, student. Once again, I'm here with you to teach you the second part of the lesson, Reach to the Top. The second part is dealing with a tennis player, and the name of that player is Maria Sharapova. Now, she again had struggled very hard in her life to reach her goal. She was very much dedicated towards her work to achieve her aim. So, today we are going to do the second part of the lesson. So, let's begin. So, in this part, we will read about a Russian girl, Maria Sharapova, who reached the peak of women's tennis when she was barely 18. She was a Siberian born teenager, took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacle. At the age of 10, her father Yuri launched her on the path of success and stardom. She was away from her mother, which was very difficult for her, but it taught her the lesson that everything comes when we pay a heavy price for it. Like she was away from her mother, children, and a 10-year-old girl living away from her mother was very difficult for her. She has to do a lot of domestic work also while living in a hostel, like cleaning the room, cleaning the clothes by herself. She faced a lot of problem during training from her co-trainees. The insult, humiliations did not suppress her, but motivated her to pursue her dreams with even more determination. She won the Wimbledon in 2004 and secured the world number one spot within a year. She says that hard work is her mantra for success. What kept her going despite all odds that she faced was the dream of becoming the world's top player. So, in this lesson, the stories of two young women prove quite certainly that success follows those who dream and work very hard towards achieving those dreams with focus and determination. So, student, now just now I will be doing the explanation of the lesson, but before you read, we have to go through this which is written here. A Russian girl, Maria Sharapova, reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18. And as you read about her, see if you can draw a comparison between her and Santosh Yadav. Now, children, this answers question you can only question answer you can tell when I will be explaining you the lesson. So later on we will discuss this thing. Just now I'm going to start with the explanation part. So children, let's begin. There is something disarming about Maria Sharapova, something at odds with her ready smile and glamorous attire. And that something in her lifted her on Monday, 22 August 2005 to the world number one position in women's tennis. All this happened in almost no time. Poised beyond her year, the Siberian born teenager took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacle. So there is something disarming about Maria Sharapova. Disarming means here innocent. So she was very innocent, something at odds with her ready smile and glamorous attire. Attire is dress. Children, she used to love beautiful gown, and she used to love to have beautiful dresses. It attracted everybody, and that's something in her lifted her on Monday, 22 August 2005 to the world number one position in women's tennis. And lifted means placed up, and she was also, she held the position of number 1 in women's tennis. She had become a tennis star by that time. All this happened in almost no time. Poised beyond her year, the Siberian born teenager took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacle. Now, what is the meaning of poised? Poised means placed. Poised means, see here, poised. Then the meaning of pinnacle. Pinnacle means top. So, within just 4 years, this Siberian born teenager, she has reached to the top in her profession. And what was her profession? She was a tennis player, students. You can see the picture here of her. Okay, see the picture. And she had won in one of, it is written here, Maria Sharapova won the women's singles at Wimbledon in 2004. So this is the picture when she won the Wimbledon match in 2004. How happy she is, how contented she is, you can see. However, the rapid ascent in a fiercely competitive world began 9 years before, with a level of sacrifice few children would be prepared to endure. Now, children, when she was very young, then only the parents started thinking to build up her career. So, however, the rapid ascent is climb up, and rapid is fast, very fast. The rapid is very fast, ascent is climb up in a fiercely competitive world. Now, children, that sport world is also full of competition. Begin 9 years before, with a level of sacrifice few children would be prepared to endure. Endure means to bear. Now, children, she was only 9 years old girl, and she has to face a lot of competition, and she had done a lot of sacrifice also to achieve her goal. She had suffered a lot, she had bared a lot. Little Maria had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday when she was packed off to train in the United States. So when she was only 10 years of her age, her things were packed off, and with the train she has reached to the United States. That trip to Florida with her father Yuri launched her on the path to success. Now, children, which place in United States she had gone? She had visited Florida. She had to go to Florida, and the name of her father, you can see here, it is Yuri. Okay, and it was he who took her in the train to the United States, and she went to Florida with her father, and from there her success story began. Okay, from there she got a training, and then she became a star in the sports of world. Well, but it also required a heart-wrenching 2-year separation from her mother Yelena. Now, the name of her mother is Yelena, and now, children, the worst thing is that she suffered also a lot, because she was only 10 years old and she was separated from her mother. The latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of visa restriction. Now, the mother could not come with her because some visa problem they have to face there. The 9-year-old girl had already learned an important lesson in life, that tennis excellence would only come at a price. Now, children, this 9-year-old girl, she had learned one thing by that time, that if you will pay a price, what is the price? If you will work very hard, then only you will get the excellent result. I used to be so lonely, Maria Sharapova recalls. Now, Maria Sharapova is also recalling something, that she was very lonely. First of all, the mother was not there. She had to stay in hostel with other girls. They some often she was insulted also. I miss my mother terribly, but she still cannot forget that when she was only 10-year old, she had to miss her mother because mother was not able to accompany her, because I told you, because of some visa restriction. My father was working as much as he could to keep my tennis training going. Now my father was working as much as he could to keep my tennis training going, so he could not see me either. Because I was so young, I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. Now, children, she was very much young, and by 8 p.m., she used to get so tired that she used to go to bed. The other tennis people would come in at 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to tidy up the room and clean it. She still cannot forget those days. At 11 p.m., some other people who were learning tennis with her, they used to come at late at night at 11 p.m. and they used to wake up and they used to order her to tidy up the room and clean it. So that was the worst part which she is still not able to forget. Instead of letting that depress me, now children, she was very much depressed that these people, they used to come late at night and they used to tell her to clean, to tidy up her room. I became more quietly determined and mentally tough, but one thing, though she was a bit sad at that time, but one thing she was blessed with, that she became more a girl with more determination, and she was feeling that she is becoming mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself. She learned how to take care of herself. I never thought of quitting because I knew what I wanted. Now, children, she many times she was so sad. She, if any other girl would have been in her place, they would have quit. But she never thought of that because I knew what I wanted. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. That means when you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insult than that to steadfastly pursue my dream. Now, children, she became so strong that she started thinking that till now she has not gained anything in her life, and to gain something, she has to bear everything, her humiliations and insult, whatever life is giving her, positive and negative, she has to bear all those things, children, to fulfill her dream. So, see, that girl, she was having a strong willpower, children, isn't it? Because she was only a 10-year old, and when she was tired at 8, when she used to go to bed at 11, after that, so many people of tennis player, they used to come and they used to wake up her and they used to tell her to tidy the room. So she became very what to say, she was very much tired with all this thing, but then also she had a strong willpower, and just to fulfill her dream, she bear all those humiliations and insult. That toughness run through Maria even today. It was a key of her bagging the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004. I just showed you the photograph, children, of Maria Sharapova when she won women's single crown at Wimbledon in 2004. So because of all these efforts which she had made in her life, and she had become so tough, okay, so rough and tough, that even today it was the key to her bagging the women's single crown at Wimbledon in 2004, and to her meteoric rise to the world number one spot the following year. While journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to the summit of women's tennis has touched the hearts of tennis fans for the youngster herself, there appears to be no room for sentiment. Now, children, see, while her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia is a very cold country, okay, and from there she had started her journey to Florida, And from there, from Florida to the summit of women's tennis has touched the hearts of tennis fans. Now summit is top, and from Florida she had gone to the top of women's tennis, which has touched the hearts of tennis fans. For the youngster herself, there appears to be no room for sentiments. And children, there was no room for emotion. Okay, once she had started her journey from the frozen plain, that means the plain which were covered with snow, she started going, she started following the ladder which was going up and up every day. Well, the straight looks and the answer she gives when asked about her ambition makes it imply clear that she considered the sacrifices were worth it. Now children, whenever she was asked many questions, okay, and imply, first of all let me tell you what is this is a new word and what is the meaning of imply here. Imply means clearly, greatly. So whenever she was asked some question, okay, about her ambition, she used to make it clear, she used to make it clearly that she considered the sacrifices were worth of it. That means whatever you will achieve in the world, you have to make a lot of sacrifices for it. I'm very, very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It's my job. This is her mantra for success. Now she is telling that I am the girl who is full of, who is having a competitive mind. So she has to work very hard to face the competition. Children, if you want to gain something in your life, so you have to work very hard. Without working hard, there is no shortcut. So she told kid that was my job to work very hard to face the competition. This is her mantra for success, and this is because of this thing she had got success in life. Though Maria Sharapova speaks with a pronounced American accent, she proudly parades her Russian nationality. Okay, parades is show. Now, children, she can speak in a nice American accent, but then she showed her Russian nationality. Clearing all doubt, she says, I am Russian. It's true that the United States is a big part of my life, but I have Russian citizenship. Now, she never used to feel to hide her Russian citizenship. She used to tell to everyone clearly that though she is from Russia, and though the United States is a big part of her life, but I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympic for Russia if they want me. Now, children, she was a true Russian. She keeps on telling that if she will get a chance to play in the Olympic, to play for Russia, she would definitely play it. Like any number of teenage sensation, Maria Sharapova lays fashion, singing and dancing. Now children, like other teenager girl, what she used to like, Maria, and her age was a teenage. So what she used to like to put a nice dress. Okay, and you can see what three things are written here. She loves fashion, she loves singing, and she loves dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. She loved to read the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle, his mystery stories. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gown appears at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. Though she loved to put nice gown, evening gown, beautiful evening gown, but at the same time she loved to have pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. Pancake is a type of dish. Fizzy is having the capacity to tingle. Okay, and let's see. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Pigeonholed is she is such a girl who cannot stay in a small place. She cannot be pigeonholed. Pigeonhole actually means put in a small holes or categorize. Her talents, unwavering desire to succeed, and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. So, children, this is very important. This line you have to, if you want, you can learn. It will help you in writing the answers. Now, these are the three some of the quality, okay, about Maria Sharapova which helped her to get the success in her life. Few would her. Grudge means envy, to feel jealous. Few would grudge riches she is now reaping. That is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. Monetary gains is reward in the form of money. Now she had earned a lot of money, okay, when she was a tennis, as she is a tennis star. Tennis is a business and a sport, but the most important thing is to become number in the world. That is a dream that kept me going. Now children, definitely she has earned a lot of monetary gains, lot of money by playing tennis. In fact, many people are jealous from her because she has earned a lot of money. And what she tell, of course money is a motivation. Now she told me definitely money is a thing which attracts many people to play tennis. Tennis is a business and a sport, so you can say tennis is both a business and a sport also. Why business? Because through tennis you can earn, by playing tennis you can earn a lot of money, children, okay. And it is a sport also, definitely, but the most important thing is to become number one in the world. But apart from this, she's telling a will power should be there inside you to become number one in the world. That is the dream that kept me going. This is the dream, this dream kept her going, reaching to the top. So you can see, children, I have completed the this the second part also of the lesson. Well, so I'm going to do the question and answer with you, okay, and let's start. Now, working in small groups of 4 to 5 students, go back over the two passages on Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova and complete the table given below with phrases, with relevant phrases or sentences. So children, what I think, this you have to do by yourself because I've already explained you the lesson. Now I will be doing you with you thinking about the language. This we have to discuss in online classes, okay. I have to revise with you clauses, and then I have to revise you that what is a phrase and a clause, and then only we can do this lesson. Now see, Let's see what is the next question. This also you have to learn and you have to do by yourself. Okay, so children, there are some long questions which I think I should like to discuss with you. Okay, now children, first of all, one question can come like write the characteristic of or character sketch of Maria Sharapova or Santosh Yadav. So let me teach you how to write the characteristic. Children, whenever we are given, we are often faced with this question of characteristic. Okay, so whenever this question comes to us, first of all, you have to see two things. You have to think all the positive points first and the negative point at the last. Okay, so whenever we write the character sketch of a person like Santosh Yadav, okay, let's take the example of Santosh Yadav. So for her, the major character, she was a girl with iron willpower, she was a girl with full of determination. Okay,
Hello, Moto.
so children, this type of questions can come to you. Give a pen picture of Santosh Yadav or give a character sketch of Santosh Yadav or Maria Sharapova. So children, let me describe about Maria Sharapova. That she was, first you have to write, she was born on 19 April 1987, and the name of the mother was Elena and the father name was Yuri. Then you have to write about the place student, that from which place she was, from which place she belongs to. So she was from Russia. Then she was very fond of playing the game of tennis, and her rapid ascent in a fiercely competitive world began at a very young age with a level of sacrifice that few children would be prepared to endure at that age. Now then you have to write, children, that how her father had taken to the United States and to which place. You have to mention about Florida also, children. And then you have to write something about her mother. Okay, that how she was separated from her mother at the very young age of 10, and then how much difficulty she faced in the hostel. Now children, I just want to show you one thing, that you have to a bit conscious like what type of questions are given in your book and what words are given in your this thing in your books, so that you can describe the characteristics the sketch. Now see, now here if you will see question number 10, here this whole word, you can see, children, these words are there. So you can take the help from these words also to describe the characteristic, like contented, determined, resourceful, polite. Now children, when you will write, these are some of the words which you can describe for Maria Sharapova also, like she was determined, she was in pessimistic, okay, she was considerate. So but then you have to do one thing, you have to give example from the book. Okay, then you have to, like, with each point you have to give the write the example from the book. That means, like, for determination you can use that she at the age of 10, she has, when she was living in a hostel, she has to bear a lot of humiliation and insult, but she was ready to sacrifice her life for that also, because she wanted to reach to the top of the world. She cannot compromise with her goal. So this type of example you have to write it. So you can also write that she was living in a hostel with parents were not allowed at that time, and the mother was not at that time present with her, though that was the age when every girl need a mother, every girl needs a mother at the age of 10. So this type of things you can quote from the book, and definitely children you have to write it. And since this is a long question answer, so you have to write in about more than 150 words, 150 to 200 words. Okay, and then first you have to write the positive quality, and if any negative quality is there, or if you feel some negative quality is there, then you can write it. Okay, so this is the way we have to write the question and answer. And other question answer regarding with this lesson we can discuss in the online classes. Okay, like we can discuss such type of question can also come, compare and contrast the character of the parents of Santosh and Maria. Like Santosh parents, they were objecting to get her higher education. They did not cooperated her because being a girl child she has to face a lot of problem. But on the contrary, Maria parents were quite cooperative. It was in fact they have helped her to achieve her goal. Okay, so with this I end my video here. Thank you and have a nice day, students. Bye bye.